guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and this video I am flipping back through all 4 of my planners for the month of November to show you everything completed, all of the after the pen spreads, and so you can have a look on this end of my life in my planners where everything's all done. So this is my catch-all planner, and I now have the red discs on because it's December, but we're gonna go to November. And this was my currently page, and I really loved how like compartmentalized it was. I had like priorities, my currently stuff, important dates, birthdays. Really cute. Love this girl. Love the pumpkin. And of course the grid washi. It's like so fun. And then I planned a shopping party here in Charlotte, so I had that there. Then here is my after the pen in my monthly view. And I love it. I love that I decided to date with the fall numbers. That was super cute. Then this was the first week. So I used the mixed media mom sticker book. And if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I am like the #1 buyer for all of the mom sticker books. And I'm not even a mom yet. So, I mean, I'm a dog mom, but I love all the mom books. They have so much good functional options that I always use them so much. So for November, I thought it would be really fun to do like the deep purple with orange, and I love it. Plus I put my favorite washi up at the top. It turned out to be great. Then I used, what is this, the new fall book, I think. And so cute. It's like so stinking cute. I love the sweater, the scarf, all the leaves I did in the middle thing. And the little hedgehogs, so stinking adorable. All right. Then I used the new Seasons collab sticker book with Alex House. And I whited out the full thing and I dated it on my own. I left out the days of the week. So I did the decor all the way around the whole spread. And oh, I'm obsessed with how it turned out. So adorable. Then this was my birthday week. So it was half my birthday and half Thanksgiving. And I thought it was super fun. I love how colorful it is over here. And then I love how like cozy it was over here. And so that's it. It ended on the 28th, but that spread would be, because there was only 2 days in November, I'm going to include that in the December flip through. So that was my catch-all. All right. Now here is my journal. I love this snap-in cover. As you can see, I love the snap-in covers because that's all I use. Then this was my currently page. I don't use the currently page in my journal, but you can see where I got the one for my catch-all from. It was this Wrong planner. And I love this divider. Oh, so stinking cute. Okay. So in the monthly view in my journal, I do this where I put one fun thing every day, like a memory of the day or like something that was fun, something that I ate, something that I did, like special news, anything like that. And this is like one of my favorite things to do. One, because I love to look at it. But number 2, I'm using the stickers that I otherwise wouldn't put in my actual spread. Like this plate of spaghetti, I just feel like it really wouldn't match my spread, but I loved putting it in here. Let's see, these little cupcakes I put for muffins, but it's the same thing. I hardly ever would like put a cupcake in my spread, so I was able to use it. And then of course the stick babes. So I love it. I love it. I love it. So this I did harvest, and then this one was like maroon, and then this was the orange wellness, and then that was the, what you call it? What sticker book was this? Memory Keeping Seasonal. I really like this one. It says, I love fall most of all. So I flipped through that one pretty quickly just because, you know, that's my journal. Now to my mini. So my currently page is not here because I had already pulled out October and it was already attached to it. But in my monthly view, I write down whenever I think about it, but I write down things that I do around the house, like, you know, when I run the dishwasher or change the sheets or redo the entire litter box, stuff like that. My mini planner, I am totally transparent with you guys that I am not, you know, very good about keeping up with it. But to me, I really like decorating in it. Some weeks I do write a lot more than others, but some weeks I don't write anything at all. So I don't know. To me, it's just, you know, it's a work in progress. I don't know what to tell you. And then this was my birthday week. So I used the Disney florals. Thought it was so cute. This was the other fall book. This was Bold and Blush. And this was Spoonful of Faith. So there's that. There's my mini. I love decorating it though. And it's going to continue until June. So after June, I will decide if I want to get a mini or just kind of like be done with it. I'm not sure yet. And last planner is my dashboard planner. And let me see. Oh, it's all the way at the back. Okay. So my dashboard layout I use for social media, like work, YouTube, all that stuff. And my currently page, I redid it so that it could kind of go better with this orange and kind of like burnt yellow color. And then my monthly view, I write down my subscriber count and my Instagram follower count every day, and I put plus or minus. So this was when I got 1,000 subscribers. So that was a really fun day, and it was my birthday. So that's what I do. And then at the end of the month, I put how many new subscribers I got and how many new Instagram followers I got. So the first week, I used the new Seasons of Color. It's like seasonal florals. Really, really, really gorgeous. I love this. So it was like purple and orange. And then this was Biz Babe, I think. And it was a lot more functional than it was decorative. But sometimes, you know, you got to get down to business, you know. Then I had the seasonal type sticker book, which matches all of my dividers. And I decided to use it during the week as well. This huge pumpkin. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love the way that those look. So that was there. And I always try to use coordinating mild liner stickers. And then my last week was my birthday, and I actually moved December up to the front. So if you want to see, I'll show you. This was the other half of the spread, but I moved it to be at the front. I can't remember why I moved it to the front, but anyways. So that was my dashboard planner. And look at December's divider. Isn't it so adorable? This is so stinking cute. Okay, so that was my dashboard planner. And that's everything. Don't you love this cover? I got it off of the Facebook Marketplace because I never got this one. So I asked in the buy sell trade group if anybody had one they wanted to sell me. So I got it. All right, those are my 4 planners. I want to hear from you guys in the comments below which spread you like the best, which one maybe kind of mimics your style, or, you know, the color scheme was your favorite. But I don't know if I could pick. Maybe the mixed media, because I love that orange and purple together. But all right, that's it. This was a quick video, but I know you guys like being able to see the after the pen, since I don't always show that part. I'm mostly always showing you before the pen. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment for more. Bye, guys.